Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make custom border in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show now make custom border. Now select from a border. Now go into the format menu option. Then click for a shape outline. Now click for a widget option, then click for 6pt and again click for shape outline. Now click for a enhance color, then again shape outline. Now click for a dash option, then click for a style. That it's. Then again change color border. Now go into the format menu option, then click for a shape outline. Now enhance color and click for a shape outline and click for a now click for widget option. That it's. Then we show make custom border in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.